Are we just saying like,
Welcome to St. Mike's! Hey guys, it's Katie and I'm back for our last video for the class of 2022. I'm here with Francis and we're gonna talk a little bit about our experiences with orientation.
Hi, so I'm Francis. I'm a senior and I am one of the orientation board members. Pulling up to the stoplight before you turn into St. Mike's and all the people on the corner like screaming at you like, oh my god, are you a first year? Are you like one of the new students? And I just got this like adrenaline rush. Like I was so excited.
Yeah, I definitely felt the same way just because I was so excited to, you know, be leaving home and just to be going somewhere where everybody was there and was definitely ready to have you there and like wanted you there.
It's perfectly normal to be nervous about the whole orientation experience. We try to make it as fun and as smooth as possible of a transition.
And even if you're nervous, don't be afraid to, you know, make friends and try everything. On our floor, at least, we were gonna have like an open door policy, so if you wanted to, you could leave your door open. So I actually had a doorstop that my mom bought me that I still have. It's a turtle. His name is Fred. But I would use him to keep the door open so that if anybody was walking by, they could just kind of pop in and say hi. So that definitely made an impact because it made it easier to meet people.
So there are a lot of different orientation events and activities that we do every year, and it's really important to go to all of them.
I would definitely recommend going to everything just because every experience you're gonna have in every different event is going to be different.
It really shows us that you want to be a part of the St. Mike's community, and we want you to be a part of that, and we want to experience that with you.
So guys, this is gonna be our last...
Cue squeaky brakes.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This is going to be the last of our videos for you, but we look forward to seeing you on campus this week.
Bye for now.